Hello YouTube and welcome back to Allie's Wonderland Creations. I am Alice Seraphin and I am a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in the wonderful Pacific Northwest in that humble little town of Belfair, Washington, or Hickville, USA, as I love to call where I live. Welcome to my channel, everybody. So this is my April 2026 Paper Pumpkin Alternative video number 24, everyone. So thank you all for joining me. So this kit is called Lakeside Retreat. It's a total of 9 cards if you make them as they are designed. A total of 3 of this design, and this design, and then the envelopes are all the same. They are printed on the front and the back. Now, if you'd like to watch my alternatives, perhaps you might be ready to try your own, and I would suggest if you've never done them, just take supplies from one of these cards and an envelope, and then work with it and work with things that you have in your stash and see what you can come up with and see if you like doing alternatives, right? So on the back, as always, this is a QR code right here that would lead you to a video that would show you how to put this kit together as it is designed. There's a visual of everything that comes in the kit. Over here, they have printed the stamp set for us, and it's thanks, happy birthday, happy Father's Day, older, wiser, better. You are a lifesaver. You're an inspiration. Dad, son, the seagulls, the little rope, and the cattails. And right about now, you guys know that I am far gone from the stamps that came in the kit, and I'm doing my own thing. So please bear with me. So down here it lists those coordinating colors, and videos 1 through 5. I always share with you everything that comes in the kit. After that, I start to use them, so we just kind of mosey along. So the add-on dies are called the Wonderful Scene dies. They will coordinate with April, May, and June of 2026. Now, if you are really missing that insert piece, go ahead and get yourself either a half a sheet of printer paper, cardstock, construction paper, or a quarter sheet. Ink up your stamps on the little acetate piece they come in, and just stamp them onto those papers, and you will have your own insert sheet. So I have yet to decide how I'm going to keep. Usually I would keep the front. I'm not sure now what I'm going to do with this because I'm not at the end yet, and I don't have to make that decision right yet. So this card here, we're going to be using more pieces from the kit, but I'm going to be bringing in the mini messages stamp set. Now, this was one large stamp that had a die that went with it. I did not have the die. So what I did is I cut them all up. Yes, I did. A little surgery never hurts anything, people. I'm telling you. If it scares you, I'm sorry, but it doesn't hurt the stamp set at all. And it freed me up to where all I have to do now is I can pick and choose the sentiments that I want from here and stamp them at will. So I'm using Just Wanted to Say for the outside, and hope your day is full of love, laughter, and joy. So I'm going to be bringing in, of course, that old word window punch. Love, love, love this punch just because it's handy, it's dandy, and it's still kicking, right? And the modern label punch that pairs with it beautifully. Let's go ahead. So I have a white card base. Can you guess what size? 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4 1/4. A white envelope. I've already got my dimensionals on them. So here's my word window punch. I mean my modern label punch. I have the little bicycle with some dimensionals on it. I have my last 2 of this sentiment strip, and I have this piece right here, this little beachy scene, and I have some pebbles from the kit. So let's, oh, and layer number 1 is already done for me, and this is 1/2 of one of the card bases from the kit. Already check, done, already there. So this, I hope you guys like what I've done. First of all, let's go ahead and get our stamping. I need one that's, is there one that says thinking of you? Oh, let's use just a card to say hello. Let's use that one as well for the envelope. Might as well. And we'll use the little cattails. And this one, we're just going to use Pecan Pie as our colored ink. So we're going to get our envelope done. I do like to kind of get all the stamping done, and then I like to assemble. Sometimes I can change it up. Just a card to say hello. Works great. You would know that I cut that apart, right? Set those two aside. Let's go ahead and stamp the inside here. Long, skinny stamp. Hoping your day is filled with love, laughter, and joy. We're going to test it out. Works like a champ. Not a charm, a champ. It's a champ, right? So right here. And I'm going to take my little cattails as well. That's done. Now I've got just a little scrap piece of paper here, and I'm looking for the wee little one that says just wanted to say. And I don't think I give this stamp as much attention as I do, but this has been sitting on the back in my shelf. That's the wrong punch. Don't want that one. I want this one. But it fits perfectly. Any dies that layer up will give you the same effect. These guys are my go-to just because, you know, they're handy, they're dandy, they're within arm's reach of doing a video of me sitting. I'm going to punch another just to give it a little bump up as well. So I'm going to glue these two together. Not meant to be a difficult card, nothing too difficult here. So I'm going to glue this one right on down to the modern label punch. So it's all ready to go when I assemble my card. So that piece is done. That piece is done. Next, I want to go ahead and stamp my seagulls. And I am going to use black right here. I almost did that. No, let's not do that, okay? we can forgo that. And really all the stamping now is done. And we can assemble this card. This is one of those that as I was getting my goodies out of the box, the thinking fingers were going. And I was like, oh, I wonder if this will work. So, looks okay, right? You add this, it's okay. Just wanted to say, you know, that's okay. If you layered something behind there, it's good to go. But what I want to do is I want to, instead of layering anything behind this, I am going to use this here. And I am going to use this here. Now I'm going to show you, there's some more options. You can take this and, oops, you can drop it on yourself like I did. You could put them on the side like so, which that actually looks really nice as well. And then put that there. Maybe a little bit of linen thread. That looks good, but I still like it top and bottom. You could turn this sideways. There's lots of ways to do this. You could have all the lines going the same direction. We could put this in the center. And yes, I was sitting there doing this exact same thing with these pieces. I really was. I'm not kidding you. Put this here. This might be my chosen. Look at that. That's our card. Right? I think that looks really well. So this comes over 3. This comes over 3. Those are going to get glued down. Meaning 3 stripes. I'm going to leave a little white there. And I know these stripes are not perfect, but I'm going to try to get it. there. One, two, three, and a little bit of white. And that is going to go in the center. Now you could, you know what, let's just do it. We're going to go ahead and pop this up on dimensionals. Why? Because we can. And I think it would look neat to have everything popped up. So we're going to do 5. It just will look really nice. We'll have extra dimension on this card, and we're going to put our bicycle right here, right? And now, if I have that there, I'm going to need to add an extra mini because I'm not going to pull anything off of here. We're just going to add an extra mini on top of this mini. Hopefully that does the trick. Otherwise I have to pull these minis off, which would not be pretty. Oh, that works. Oh, except for the placement. That's not a good placement. We got to bring it down some. Oh, let's add the linen thread. We're going to go for it. We're going to go all the way. So let's see what the linen thread. I do like that. Okay, let's do the bow. So my good old bow maker here, everybody. Oops, I just lost 2 wooden dowels out of it because I tipped it this way. An old 2x6, and I do mean old. This was lying around in the garage. 2x6. My hubby drilled holes 1/4 of an inch apart, roughly. He did not measure. He's like eyeballed it. I think we need to go a little bit bigger. And then I'm going to show you the sides. It is very sturdy, but you could do this with a 2x4. It's very handy. It's very sturdy. My little wooden dowels, I got them at the dollar store in a little package. And let me pull this out. So what he did is he drilled down so they sit in here. And if you wanted, you could do your spools of thread like that. And I will pick up my other wooden dowels. I have 4 of them in there. So we need a little bits of wood there. It's going to go right here, I think. Just something to tack the bow down. Oh, that came out really, really nice. Yes, everything is on there. So next is some bling, right? So I'm going to use some of these little pebbles. I'm going to put 1 here, 1 here. So 1, 2, and 3. And I'm going to use all the flat ones. 1. It never works like that. 2. And 3. And that is our card. Let's of course add some Wink Estella to it. To the grass. maybe streak our sky a little bit. Maybe our water. Of course the water needs some, right? Not the sand. I don't want to do the sand. I did the grass. All right. Oh, let's do the tire. No, I just keep on wanting to do more, a little more there. But, you know, the sun hits that silver on the bike, that stainless steel, and it shimmers and shines. So there we have it. Just wanted to say, oh, look what I did. That's what I wanted to say. Yes, look what I did. Look what I did. Look what I did. Alrighty. I need a piece of cardstock. Yes, we're going to fix that. And looky here, I have a piece of cardstock. I just need to trim it down just a hair. And we will restamp that. We can fix this. I don't know why, but it is just needs to be a hair shorter so it'll fit inside the card. So only you, me, and the rest of the world will know what I did. But there we have it. We can restamp that because when I started this card, it was going to be portrait. And now it's landscape. But that's a quick fix. Quick fix. This way, not the other way, right? Oh, yes. And no, I'm not putting a smiley face and see it said made you look or anything like that on the inside of the card. Not do that. We're going to fix it. So down at the bottom, this card would definitely give somebody the giggles, right? If I left it. Definitely make somebody's day. We can fix this. I can fix this. It does happen. Oh, and I want to share with you, my daughter, before I started this video, she came in from work because it's late and I wanted to get one more video in before I forgot my idea. She brought me in the coolest shirt for the 4th of July. But of course I have to wear a sunscreen shirt with it because it's a sleeveless shirt. And I can't go around like that outside. I mean, I can in my house, but she's like, I know you would like this. And I do have some new sunscreen jackets. They have built-in really wide brims in the jacket themselves. So it's great because I don't have to go around worrying about where my hood is. But look at this. So here's my card, right? Just a card to say hello. So there's my card. But look, 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 look. Look at all the bling and the sparkle on there. Yes, and look how pretty the back is. So, yes. I'll be wearing that to the Colt Ford little concert too. That'll be in the evening, so I still will be wearing a jacket. But I thought that was lovely for her to think of me. Yes. So, I love that. So, can't wait for that. So I will be sparkly. I would say, you know, 4th of July, I can wear it 4th of July, but you know, I don't think it gets dark till 10:30 at night. I'll still be wearing a jacket at 10:30 at night, even on the 4th of July. Yes, I will. So thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you like how I demonstrated this card and the different ways you could do something like this. So thanks for watching, everybody, and I hope to see you all again soon here in my Wonderland. Bye-bye for now, everyone.